This is a Korbanth DV6.
And this is Vader's stunt saber from Return of the Jedi. This saber is for Tony Singh. This is the first of two DV6s he's got coming. And this one is sporting Proffie. There's your Proffie, brand new Proffie board. They're just out. It's also got an in-hilt recharge port, 18650 battery, and two switches. This one's actually special. I want to show y'all something. Move the kill key. What makes this saber special is Tony asked for shine through and got him shine through there on the eye. Also, this one's got a DV6 Blade Plug. There's your DV6 Blade Plug, which is backed with neopixels. But you can see the neopixels shining through the glass eye there. This one's sporting a Veco high bass speaker and an all-in-one chassis. It's actually a pretty cool chassis. It's of course it's a lot easier to get the back of this hilt off to change it out and put the back of this hilt back on. But this is powered by Proffie. Most of the fonts on board this saber are smoothswing. I've tried to make the buttons accurate here, 4.5. This one's parallel. This one's perpendicular. But the DV6 is complete. Like I said, I've tried to make these buttons accurate, where this one's parallel, this one's perpendicular. They got the shine through here. I don't think that is accurate. And I know these are supposed to be filled in to make them accurate. But this DV6, when Tony sent it to me, it had a lot of problems. The button boards on the back were broken. There were just a lot of issues with this saber. So it was a bit of a mess. So basically I stripped it out, cleaned it up best I could, reused all the broken stuff, gave it shine through there, had to remachine some other things, and this hilt is good to go. Tony, I'm going to do the other one better, but the blade retention is actually down through this hole in front of the glass eye, because remember, the glass eye was, your blade retention before, and now your blade retention is actually an 832 screw there. When you I don't know if you're seeing, but the blade plug kind of pops out on the spring, but you got to hold it in where it's flush and then tighten your blade set screw down. And then you got shine through. If you got shine through in the eye, it's good.
Be careful. I'll show you the dark side.
Fire blade in there.
Anything else?
My fire blade.
I need to see to show me my place in all this.
Luke Skywalker. This is the weapon of the Jedi.
The balance.
Team Secret.
Rainbow through the glass eye, but at any rate, you get the point. It's a pretty nice saber. Basic Proffie install. We got a Goth 3D chassis master going in his other DV6 that's in a lot better shape than this one. But this is a pretty cool saber. Basic Proffie install. Turned out pretty nice. Here's a demo video. Tony Singh, this is your DV6. Getting ready to boot her up. Gotta pull that kill key out.
Great many things to explain.
This is DV6 with Proffie, neopixel, and shine through on this on the side. I still haven't cleaned that up completely, but boom, there's your shine through. I don't know if it's showing. Oh, not showing. Guess what would help if the blade was all the way in, right? Bam! That shine through showing now. Isn't that pretty cool? Lock up.
Be careful not to choke on your aspirations, Director.
With that slower extension, you can see the white spark tip there. See the white spark tip traveling up the blade? It's almost like as the saber's igniting, it's burning the air as it comes out. It's pretty wild.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time.
Fire blade.
Let the past die.
Megtooth Sith fire blade.
Something inside me is almost been out awake.
Luke Skywalker.
This is the weapon of a Jedi Knight.
This is not the weapon of a Jedi Knight.
A balance.
Team C.
Rainbow blade.
Lightsaber.
Luke Skywalker.
This is the weapon of a Jedi Knight.
Korbanth.
Risky. Risky.
Vibroblade.
Blue cycle.
Calibrate.
And your battery blade. MPP. There she blows. You know, you got your shine through like you wanted.
Careful not to choke on your aspirations, Director.
You know, let me know if you like that, and I'll do the other DV6 like that as well. And this is the one that you sent me with the broken button boards in it, but you know, I got it to work, no problem. But you know, want to let you know, Tony. So this is the only the second. Well, I mean, it's like the fourth Proffie I've installed, but it's the second one I've sold. So there's your Proffie. They're awesome, dude. A lot easier to set up than Teensy Saber, you know, because you don't have to build them. You just basically program them and install them, and you know, I mean, I'm getting pretty quick with the programming.
Be careful not to choke on your aspirations, Director.
Also, there's a new feature, so if you double tap the power button, it'll ignite and mute. So now you got mute. It's still got all your features. You know, you still got flash on clash and lock up, blaster blocks, but it's in mute. So that's a new feature on the new operating system. You know, Frederick's always adding new features, but that's a new feature. So this is the all-in-one chassis that you sent me, and you know, I mean, it's pretty slick. You know, I got some touch-up to do, but you know, once I get the Imperial Knight fixed back up, whatever I was wrong with it, I have no idea. But we'll get the Imperial Knight back up and running. I think I'm going to be replacing the board in that one. Something's hosed on the board. But at any rate, that's that saber. Now, One last little tidbit of video, Tony. This is your Dooku saber. Ultimate Works Dooku.
I've become more powerful than any Jedi.
And I have added, it's going to be hard to get this on camera. I've added an Arkham blade plug here for you. And there's your blade plug in action.